Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. So we have two integrals in here and I will show you the technique how to answer this one. For the first one, we know that the integral of cosine phi s you will get about 1 over 5 sine phi s, and we have negative p over 2 and p over 2. And we got about 1 over 5 sine phi multiply with p over 2 minus sine of number 5 multiply with negative p over 2. So we input the number in here. We got number 1 minus number 1, and we got about 2 over 5. Next, we have the second integral in here. We know that the integral of e to the power of 2s, you got about 1 over 2 e to the power of 2s, and we have negative number 1 and number 1. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.